Hello everyone, I hope you're all well. This is a link to the email you've just had announcing our competition. 2020 has been a very weird year for everyone, I'm sure you'll all agree. So as we come to the end, what we decided we'd like to do is we're going to be doing a video competition whereby we're going to choose a winner for that competition, and the first prize will be a credit of £500 basically to do whatever you want within the company, whether it's service, spares, parts, or even just set on your account for future purchases. All videos that will enter will receive a small prize from us. Well, there are some particulars that we need to make sure that the video contains. Number one, it has to be one of our machines, a Martin, OV, Robland, or any machine you bought off us, like ever, basically. And it must be at least 1 minute long. And then what we want to do is share that video on all our platforms. You can read the terms and conditions on the email we just sent through to you. So yeah, don't worry about being professional. You probably see how sketchy my videos are. It's just about a bit of personality. We'd like to also talk about us, maybe a bit shout out about us and your machines and the manufacturers, how you're getting on, how they're working for you, and try and make a bit of fun. And we'll announce the winners before Christmas, December the 21st. So yeah, send your videos in, and we will be putting those videos onto our new website coming out next year, onto our YouTube channel, and of course Instagram, where we're probably best known. So good luck filming, and have a great rest of the year, and catch you up soon.